What?
You know, I don't even really remember what happened in the last movie. This is a really hard to follow structure, Charles. Evil Bong sequels released a year apart on 4/20. Do you really expect your stoner audience to remember what's going on? Didn't Tommy Chong used to be in these movies? He should be sitting right there. Are they trapped in Oz? Weed Oz?
Don't you just love it, Larnell? It's made out of all locally grown fabric, hemp, naturally.
It's the tops, V. Get it?
No, I don't. How long have they been trapped in Bong World that they were able to make full outfits out of hemp?
Sweater it, buddy. Yarn not doing so bad.
Were those puns written in the script, or were they
You always
improvised?
seem to know how to look on the bright side of things.
Well, I just happen to have a copy of the original Evil Bong 5 shooting script, so let's take a look inside and see what dialogue was actually written. Yep, right there. This is actually typed out, written dialogue that was accepted for this movie.
How long has it been anyway?
Way long, dude. According to my calculations, it's been at least 6 months. See?
That is some dedication for a while,
Sort of gave
anyway.
up after a while.
Wow, the first really funny joke in Evil Bong history.
Get out of here.
We have to find Rabbit and figure our way out.
You know, the green smoke on the green screen probably wasn't the way to go. Oh, I guess they agree.
If you want.
Oh, right hand on green. Oh. Oh.
That's not how you play that.
Oh, pardon me, sir.
Not a problem, pal.
Guess they don't have toothbrushes in Bong World.
This is the best game ever.
I have
That's
gingivitis.
all they ever do.
Remember when Gary Busey used to be the Gingerdead Man? These movies have a celebrity kick off the franchises in the first one, but then they never come back.
They never let me play.
With rabbits?
Save some for me.
Ah, so they made her the dumb one.
If you say her name, she'll show up and harsh our marvelous mellow.
What the hell is that on there? Rabbit scat?
Come on, dude.
I wonder how good that Gingerdead Man is at Twister.
Did you find your rabbit hole?
That, my friend, is for the Poontang tribe, and they find it plenty.
Gross. The jokes in this movie remind me of sitcom jokes. What does this series become? Weeds Company? Different tokes?
Her karate is strong.
Who?
Eebee, gosh dang it.
I knew I could get you to say it. You owe me $1.
One of you motherfuckers call?
It's like Beetlejuice, but you only have to say it once.
I was smack dab in the middle of plotting world domination. What the fuck does your stupid mouth want? Spit that dick out of your mouth and say it.
I made you something, Eebee. It even has sleeves for your tubes.
Who the fuck's gonna wear that shit?
I made a sweater for the Evil Bong, too.
But while I have you dope standing around with your mouths open, I'm gonna get down to business. The domination business.
Oh yeah, me first. Show me those titties.
Since these movies are all green screen, it's pretty funny to imagine a puppeteer dressed in a green skin suit standing behind the Evil Bong or Gingerdead Man and making them move.
The Bong world isn't big enough to contain my badass. I'm gonna rule planet Earth. I've got it all figured out, and my accountant has crunched the numbers.
Who would be an accountant for a bong? THC block?
Come in.
Why would we help you?
You don't have a choice, that's why.
How much seed money are we talking about?
$1 million.
Oh, okay, Dr. Evil.
That's a lot of dough.
What does a bong need money for anyway? What drives Eebee?
Back into that shithole you call home. Prepare yourself for the Punishers.
Oh, I wonder what they're gonna do.
What in the name?
Wait, isn't this movie supposed to be PG-13? Somebody at Full Moon screwed up.
If I'm going back into business, I need to look like I mean business. What do you got?
I just put the finishing touches on this.
She knitted a suit coat in 6 months? That's actually pretty impressive.
Whoa. Check out all this cool stuff.
I wouldn't buy anything from here. Nothing is priced.
I find this environment conducive to nothing had.
Well, you better find it conducive to selling a shitload of weed, Rabbit. Or else those Punishers gonna be making a box lunch out of the girls, if you know what I mean.
Ah, lesbian joke. What does a gingerbread cookie eat when he gets the munchies? Himself?
Hey, Cinnamon Buns. How's it going?
Oh, he blinks now?
Hey, Phoebe. I got a little situation down here.
That's just a photo taped to a flip phone.
You could help an old cooler out.
I need a job.
Oh, well, but you're still wearing your gutter slut shirt. The bowling alley is closed.
I know, I've been squatting in it because they haven't bulldozed it yet.
She's been squatting in a bowling alley and looks like that? Wow.
Always with the kind words. You cunning linguist. Should we hug it out?
You keep your semen-soaked claws off of my person.
What a filthy thing for an old man to say. Was that in the script?
Yep, right there. Underneath Grandpa is the word semen, and that's okay. Yeah, that's fine. Have Grandpa go around talking about semen.
Gotta admit, looking pretty good.
The proper word is well, huh? And you look like something a raccoon shat out after Halloween.
And we haven't seen this banter in 3 movies. Still as fresh as ever.
Because I'm doing well.
So what'd you stop by here for, Gramps? You need money?
We were walking by.
I found Seth Rogen.
The future. Jeff here is from solid seed stock.
Alright, so Jeff Rogen.
Drippings from under the titty bar table.
That's harsh.
Jeff? Jeff has made quite a name for himself in the world of technology. Streaming entertainment to millions of homes with a click of a button.
I'm kind of a thing.
Yeah.
Oh my god, are we watching this movie in Grandpa time? 5 minutes takes an eternity.
You're a festering canker sore on the dick of life. Shall we?
We shall. I bid you adieu.
So they traded out the boobs and weed for Grandpa? Grandpa and Adam Sandler?
Tell you what, take a gander at this joint.
Hank Hill with an eye patch. Propane and propane accessories, I'll tell you what.
Underwear, I tell you what the fuck is that?
Eat me.
Can I get something for you guys? Not sure I catch the business end of your operation.
Oh, show me your business end. Show it. I tell you what.
Oh.
Ugh, what led to that?
You bitches gonna like this.
No, we won't. We probably won't.
Well, that was brief. We spent more time watching Grandpa and the Jew. John Wayne Gacy.
Pardon me, but which one of you is the proprietor of this establishment?
He's John Waters with a pig nose.
I'm not selling anything but opportunity here.
Then what's with all the merch?
This place is just a full moon merchandise warehouse.
Badass dolls. Collect them all or look like a piece of shit.
Why don't you tell them where they can get these badass dolls, Piggy?
www.badassdolls.com.
Evil Bong statues lining the shelves, a cart full of badass dolls. This movie is just a commercial for badass dolls. Eebee only had a cameo in her own sequel.
With the viewfinder.
What in the name of Don Cheadle is going on right now?
What you're looking at is the original inspiration for the badass dolls. This is exactly what I was looking for.
Kinda looks like a butthead doll.
This is a joke, right?
Cut! Fuck you!
Speed!
Actors, don't encourage this.
If you're looking for weed, grass, koosh, pooch, stems, chemicals, stink, or skunk,
Yeah, I want the pugweed.
lousy competitors. But if you're looking for the finest of the fine,
Clearly reading off cue cards.
Eebee's Magical Weed Dispensary, because we have the finest in town.
They shot and edited this commercial quick. Who made it, Saul Goodman?
Hey, Hambo, have you ever thought about doing one of yourself?
I milk my tail once a day. Thank you very much.
But he's a pig. Why is he milking his tail?
Making a badass doll of yourself.
Was that a fan request? Yeah, I want a Hambo doll holding 2 eggs.
What's wrong, Candy? Too sweet? Hey.
Nothing, Gingy. It's not you, it's me. Stab it, Uga.
So she has sex with cookies and voodoo dolls. The next step is her having cookie babies. Seth Green?
Can I help you guys?
Maybe you need help.
Yeah, we help ourselves.
Okay.
Why don't they make badass dolls out of these Columbine shooters?
Says him.
Oh, jeez. This is upsetting my filling.
What up, Puff Pastry Daddy?
These people are clearly about to die. They don't need weed, they need food and medicine. Or at least a good night's sleep.
Shit.
Where's your funny colored eggs, leprechaun?
High five, dude.
5 G's buys you 5 bongs full of your magic weed.
$1,000 each. I know for a fact these are worth $20 on fullmoondirect.com, and oh no, I just advertised for them too. So the message of this movie is don't actually sell your stuff, just make a commercial about selling your stuff.
It's candy.
You want candy? Well, there's a store right across the street, dude. Get you a Zagnut.
Not that kind of candy. Candy. The girl I creep fired at the bowling alley.
What about her?
Well, I never told anybody this, but she was my first.
First as a cookie, or first as Gary Busey? Don't film that if you're not gonna finish painting it.
Eebee's here.
Surprise, motherfuckers!
I like what they did with the play. Quiet. Okay, we need to think this through. Okay.
Oh, I know you losers don't have all my money. Y'all asses are mine now. Again.
They had a month. It's only been a day. She's awfully demanding.
We can explain.
Shut your dick hole.
You closing, I tell you?
Huh?
Not yet.
Is her underwear on fire?
I'll be dipped in hog asses. It's that guy. Of course it is.
They made a Jeff Foxworthy doll.
Come on, pose for me, baby.
Comes with actual oozing wounds.
BadassDolls.com.
Handle box with care. You might get an STD. With all these badass dolls and evil Bong statues, where's the Eebee piggy bank? It'd easily tie into this movie.
I'm gonna make mincemeat out of you, piggy.
Could be worse. Could have been sucked into the mind of Mencia. What is that green gas? A fart?
Whoa. Look at you. You look like something a raccoon shat out after.
Is that Groot?
It's like a pulsating boil on a viper's vagina. Turning away opportunities while waiting for the big time. Huh?
He turned into a Jib Jab birthday video.
Under the titty bar table.
What the hell?
Hell is right, motherfucker. Weed is life.
You know, being called Evil Bong High-5, nobody actually gave someone a high five in this movie.
Well, unfortunately, this does exist, so...
I still think I'm John Tesh, man. Sings real fruity. Makes me have weird feels.
It's pretty gay.